Okay, hello. Today I'm going to share a program called Scratch. It is a program from MIT.edu, I guess, and it's very easy program to use for learning a program language. And basically, it's an online platform, so you don't need to install it in your computer. You just need an internet, and you can access it everywhere. Okay, and I guess it's very suitable for all ages. Even an elementary students can take a benefit from it to learn a programming language, and student can make some animations or create a program, create a game, uh, something else. And so let's start our tour using this program. So you can access it from scratch.mit.edu, and then before you start you can register to the platform, and then so you can save your projects and share it and collaborate with other user here. Okay, there's a lot of feature projects, feature studios, and etc. And so I already registered here, so I have my account here. And then before we start, we just need to click this create, and then the windows will show up like this one. Okay, today I will make some simple project, a jumping game like you used to see in Mozilla Firefox when you don't have any connection. You remember? Okay, so uh, first of all, I don't we have this character here, cat character, but maybe I will try to change the character with other character. So I just need to press it and then find a new character here. Okay, so as you see, there is a lot of character here, like animals, people, fantasy, dance, and etc. So I'd like to choose an animal here. So there is bear, bear walking. Okay, I love this one. Okay, uh, let's choose this one. Okay, so we have a bear character walking, and now we need a backdrop, so it will look like more real and uh, more beautiful. Okay, so I will use, for example, okay, let's use this one, blue sky. Okay, as you see here, the bear walking is so big in the window, so I'm I just gonna decrease the size to 50%. Okay, yes. Okay, so we have our character and our background here. So what we are going to do with this character? Okay, first of all, I want to have this character to move like a walking bear. So yeah, as you see in this, when you click bear walk, and then there's customs. Okay, there's a lot of custom from 1 to 8 to show that the bear is walking. Bear walk A, bear walk B until bear walk H. Okay, so what are we going to do is uh even okay, when we start the program, okay, when we click here, bear will start walking. But because we don't have any program here, we don't have set any program, so we need to set it first. Okay, okay, so when I click, the bear will start walking forever, like repeat it forever. And then what is going to do is to change his look. Okay, for example, for next custom. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, but as you see, the bear is walking too fast. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to control it, to wait until, okay, 1 second. Okay, it's too slow, so we can change here to 0.2 maybe. See, okay, it's also too slow. Okay, 0.05. Okay, now it looks like more real. Okay, so we have our characters walking here, and I want to make this character to jump. Okay, when I click space, so here, control, even, sorry. Okay, when the space key is pressed, I want our character here to jump from here to up and back again to the down. Okay, so speed, the uh, motion, change it. Okay, we change the Y. Okay, or change Y, then okay. So, but we need to make it get back to the earth, to the down again. So I will can change Y, is it change Y by okay minus 10. Okay, okay now let's start. Okay, now we have our bear is jumping and jumping and jumping. Yes. Okay, now we are what we need else is the obstacles for bear to jump. Okay, so we need to add more characters or more sprite here. Okay, let's choose uh for example a ball here. Okay, okay, the ball is big enough for the bear, so let's change this to 50% also, and then okay, and then make it move from this side to this side. Okay, so the bear can jump out of it. Okay, but now what we're going to do is when the program is start, the ball, okay, so to move forever, motion, move from, okay, from here, okay, and then from here move to here, right? So he will glide 1 second from that point to other point. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, oh, okay, jump, 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 jump. Okay, very good. Okay, now we have our bear is jumping the obstacle. So we already have our bear is jumping, and then the ball is moving from one side to other side. But how do we stop or make the game over for this bear? So we want to end all. Okay, wait a minute. Let's see. Okay, okay, when we click start, wait until okay when touching. Okay, like one. Okay, when the bear is touching. Okay, and all stop. Okay, okay, let's start. Okay, so when the bear is hitting the obstacle, the game is stopping. Okay, let's start again. Okay, very good. Okay, okay. Oh, God. Okay, but as you see here, when we start again, the bear is starting from the other point of the game. So what we're going to do is we are going to use this bear, okay, and we start. Let's the bear move to this side. Okay, start. Okay, okay. He back to the start. He begin to his start position. Okay, okay. What else we can do is to add some variables to make it to have a score. For example, let's write it for okay, okay, and okay. Now change my set my variable to 0 and then change my variable by 1. Oh, this should change the score. Okay, let's change the score. Okay, now okay, we have our scores added here when we finally jump the ball. Okay, well, guys, I think that's all for today. I guess it's very useful program, especially for learning a program coding or program language. It's very good for an elementary students even. They can learn to make some program or create some animation through this program. So I guess that's all for me. Thank you very much.